Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing today is this huge box. Look at this. It's huge. I have to stand up to open it. Look at this guys. Let's see what's this. Open sesame. Yes, and then
careful not to prod it inside the box. Just pull the lid.
yes. Okay, so let's see guys, let's see. I'm so excited. It's a huge box. Look at this guys. Oh wow, it's a lid. And look at that, it's mouse.
That is a free mouse.
It's what you could use? Mouse.
Yeah,
It's a
computer mouse.
Yes. And it's, oh my lord. Oh, what's in there? Oh, I guess this is. Okay, let's put it here first. So, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's something in there as well. Okay, so let's remove these boxes and this is, look at this guys, look at that. Okay, so,
I will open the other small box first. So
okay, I have to take it
careful
out so
not
the
to
box
drop.
out.
Is that empty?
Yeah, could you take that? Okay. Because the box is dirty, so we have to put the paper. Okay. So how is it? It's way up. Is it way up like this or like that?
Probably like that. I'm not sure.
I don't know. So this is computer guys. Yeah. Can you put this? Yes. Oh, so it should be yeah, like that. Because in here there is this, so this should
That's
be
the bottom.
the fit. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and
That's
look.
the back. Yeah.
So this is the back.
Yeah.
That's cute. Lots of thing in here. And this is the front.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is Dell.
Yeah.
Intel Core 17.
1.7 or i7, I think.
i7. Okay, so let's see this. Let's open this. I guess this is the keypad.
Keyboard.
Wow. Thank you, darling. I got a new computer.
Yes, you need it to upload, download, sideload, upload your YouTube stuff.
Yes. I need to download things all the time. Oh, so this keyboard is a bit thin. See, look at this guys. Look how thin it is. See, look.
Has it got all the buttons on it that your existing one has? The one you're using at the moment?
Yeah, so it goes like that.
So you can tip it forward.
Yeah. And then it goes like that.
Yeah.
Amazing! Amazing! Wow. And this is the plug.
Electric lead. The mouse, you can use your existing mouse because it's better than this mouse. This is just
So like that.
basic.
And
Yeah, that you don't need
this.
to open it, just leave that.
So leave this. So
Yeah,
I don't need to use this.
No, plug in your other one because the other one is nicer. You got the ball on it, so you don't have to keep pushing it about.
Yeah. And that is cordless. I think
It's not cordless.
Is it not cordless?
I don't like the cordless ones because we can get interference and you have to keep changing batteries.
And these are the...
Does it say what the model number is?
Yeah, it is. It says on top here. Yeah. So these are the leaflets, information. So you can read this, darling. And so it says here, Inspiron.
Yeah,
Inspiron.
Dell Inspiron
Inspiron.
3020. Small desktop. This is smaller than the usual size.
So it's small desktop.
Yeah.
So it means not as functional as the big one, or is it the same?
It's more or less the same. Maybe a few less sockets on it.
So that's the thing, if you can understand.
It takes up less space.
Yeah.
The one
and
you're
this.
using at the moment is also smallish, but maybe not quite as small as this.
The one I'm using is a bit higher
Yeah, it's a bit bigger.
and a bit longer, a tiny bit.
That was bigger than Dell's. I don't think make computers anymore.
Yeah.
Things change over the years, so I just hope it's a good one.
So another thing then. There's lots of leaflet here. So this is the Inspiron. Inspiron for?
And when is the other one? Oh, you put it there.
Huh?
The one that came the other day. You need to open that as well. And goes with it.
Inspiron 3020 small desktop.
Yes.
Yes, amazing.
Open that with it as
Wow.
well.
Okay guys, and this is another unboxing. So
It's to go with the computer.
it's to go with this?
Yeah.
You say so. So I wonder what is this? Thank you, darling, for buying all these things for me.
My darling. You deserve it.
Thank you. Wow, what? Oh, DVD writer.
Because there is no built-in DVD player writer in computers anymore. At least not at this price range, even though it costs £800.
This?
No, the computer. This? Yeah.
800? Oh my gosh.
But I got £90 off. It was in the sale.
So HL data storage. So slim portable.
That was only £26.
DVD writer. Oh wow. Haven't used this before. And that is here like that. Oh, and then this at the back. So it's Mac and Windows compatible. Yeah. So let's open it.
Hopefully Windows 11. So the 11 on the thing, but is it Hitachi? It's supposed to be Hitachi. No, I don't say Hitachi on there.
Yeah, Hitachi LG data storage. So is this good?
The reviews weren't that good. because it's fairly cheap. The thing is, I was going to buy the Dell one, which cost a little bit more, but it's a Windows 10, Windows
So it's no good.
8, 10, so it didn't say Windows 11, so I won't work with it.
Oh.
This one said Windows 11, so I bought this. It's cheaper. I don't think you'll need it anyway, maybe just once in a blue moon. That's why they don't put DVD players in them anymore.
Also, this is instruction how to do it.
I was hoping it's just plug and play. I hope you don't have to download this, download that.
So this is it's Cyberlink.
What's that?
Cyberlink. There.
I have to read the instructions later.
Yeah. For DVD writer. So I thought it's a power director, but it's not. It's Cyberlink.
No, that one I paid for separately as
see,
well.
this
That
is
was,
Cyberlink.
yeah. The power director was an extra £78, but it didn't come with it. We have to download it from an email.
Oh. So it's silver.
It's tiny.
It's silver. It looks like coaster. It looks like it.
Let's go look. We can put it back in there. So keep it dust free.
I know. So I wanted. So
Is
that
there
is the
a
plug
USB
in.
lid with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is the one it comes with.
Good.
Yeah.
I'll keep
So this
them
is
together
the.
so we don't mix it up.
Yeah. So that's very nice. It looks like a coaster. So it's super multi. Wow, I have to learn how to do this. I have to. You have to learn, darling. You will do it. So this is the.
You might not need it anyway, but just in case you need it.
This is the instruction. Instruction? Yeah. Instruction. So this is the only instruction it got. But there is in here, so it will be, everything will be in here. I think I have to download this, I think.
Maybe.
Yeah. To just like that. Oh wow. So this is the one, and this is the
Keyboard.
The keyboard for this.
That's your new computer.
This is my new computer. Wow, wow,
We have to set it up, which will take time.
Yeah. So this is a bit. This is not long. This is a bit short.
Yeah, can we just put it on top? You don't keep it plugged in all the time, I suppose.
Yeah. You just plug it when
need
needed.
it if you need it. So.
Yeah. So it has. Yeah. So it's. So this one will go there, and then this in the computer thing.
Yeah.
Yes. Love. Wow, I love it.
You got 8 USB sockets on the computer, 4 at the back, 4 at the front.
In here?
Yeah, 4 at the front, 4 at the back.
Oh, so 2, 4. So what's this one?
Memory card.
Memory?
I think.
That's the bin for memory.
I don't think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the bin. I think this is the memory.
No, those are USBs.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Thank you so much, darling. Wow, amazing. I'm so happy. I can't wait to use this. So is this a bit longer or it's just a normal size?
We'll have to see
So
when we
this
take
is
it up to your study.
thing. It's good because this is it lights up, I think.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it's blue.
I don't think so.
Is it? Yeah,
The other one lights up if you want to connect that one to it.
No, I said it reflects the light. It doesn't light up. It reflects the light because of the color. Wow, thank you so much guys for watching. So I'm so happy. So we will
You can give a review once we've got it set up and working.
yes, that's right. Thank you so much. So thank you so much guys for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Love, love, love.